जब सुपरस्टार अक्षय कुमार हाथ मिलाते हैं विपुल शाह के साथ तो हॉलिडे ही हॉलिडे यानी कि हिट ही हिट. नाउ आई एम सिटिंग विद अक्षय कुमार. माय नेम इज उमर कुरैशी एंड वेलकम फॉर येट अनदर हॉलिडे आफ्टर अ सक्सेसफुल मूवी.
I like you when you speak in Hindi.
थैंक यू सो मच.
चल, मैं पक्का बोल सकता हूँ कोई बोटॉक्स नहीं करवाया इन्होंने और बहुत ही तंदुरुस्त किस्म के इंसान है. लेकिन मैं ये जानना चाहूँगा कि इनकी अंदर की शक्ति कितनी है. तो अब हम कैसे करें?
Oh God.
You have to lift me up. Come on.
Lift you up.
Yeah. Come on, Omar. Yeah. Come on, Omar. Come on. चलो, नहीं हो पाया, कोई बात नहीं. लेकिन मुझे उठा लिया, लेकिन कुर्सी पीछे रह गई. और इससे साफ जाहिर होता है कि how old are you?
Let's not talk go there. आपकी पिक्चर
आज ये इंटरव्यू हम आपको बताएं कि स्पेशली जूम में हम कर रहे हैं, जो कि अंग्रेज़ी का चैनल है, लेकिन हम सब हिंदी में बात करेंगे क्योंकि उमर ने आज हिंदी में शुरू किया है. और ये शुरुआत भले ही अगर इनकी हिंदी थोड़ी बहुत गड़बड़ रहेगी तो बुरा मत मानिएगा, क्योंकि एक इंसान जब कोशिश करता है तो उसे हम बुरा नहीं मानते, क्योंकि कोशिश करने वालों की हार नहीं होती. शुरू करें उमर साहब.
आपने ये आपकी ये पिक्चर हॉलिडे जो है ये इंस्पायर्ड है थुपकी से. इट्स अ साउथ फिल्म.
इंस्पायर्ड नहीं, पूरे वहाँ से ली हुई है.
पूरी वहाँ से ली हुई है. तो आपने वो देख के कुछ नोट्स बनाए कि कुछ
ऐसा उमर, ये फिल्म जब तुपाकी बनी भी नहीं थी, सोचा भी नहीं था. ये स्क्रिप्ट मैंने तब सुनी थी साउथ अफ्रीका में, करीबन 4 साल पहले सुनी थी ये स्क्रिप्ट. इसका तभी फर्स्ट हाफ ही बना था और फर्स्ट हाफ सुनते ही मैंने उसको मुर्गडॉस साहब ने खुद लिखी थी ये फिल्म. एंड मैंने उनको पहले ही कह दिया था कि सर ये आप किसी को देना नहीं, ये फिल्म मैं करूँगा, मैं प्रोड्यूस करूँगा. उन्होंने ओके बोल दिया था कि आप ही करना. लेकिन उन्होंने सिर्फ मुझसे एक ही विनती की थी कि मैं पहले से तमिल में बनाना चाहता हूँ और फिर उसके बाद मैं हिंदी बनाना चाहता हूँ. और उस वक्त मेरी डेट की भी थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम थी और मैं नहीं कर पाता था. तो मतलब ठीक है, आप हिंदी में शुरू, अपना तमिल में शुरू कर लीजिए एंड फिर उसके बाद मैं कर लूँगा.
लेकिन फिल्म का नाम हॉलिडे क्यों है?
हॉलिडे इसलिए है क्योंकि ये एक कहानी है एक आर्मी ऑफिसर की और कुछ आर्मी ऑफिसर्स और जो कि बॉर्डर में लड़ने के बाद या बॉर्डर में खड़े होने के बाद, तैनात होने के बाद, जब अपने अपने जगहों पे जाते हैं, अपने अपनी सिटी में जाते हैं, अपने अपने घर पे जाते हैं, तो वहाँ वो रियलाइज़ करते हैं कि इधर भी दुश्मन है. उधर तो थे ही थे, इधर भी दुश्मन है और उनको भी पकड़ना है. और भले ही हम छुट्टी पर हो, भले ही इट्स एन हॉलिडे, लेकिन हमें फिर भी उनको पकड़ना पड़ेगा. बिकॉज ये उनका कर्तव्य हो जाता है कि भले ही ये मतलब कुछ अगर गलत देखें होते हुए तो वो चुप नहीं रह सकते. दे हैव टू गो अहेड एंड दैट इज व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड हॉलिडे. अ सोल्जर इज नेवर
ऑफ ड्यूटी. उसका स्पेसिफिक मतलब यही हुआ.
जी बिल्कुल
जी. और आपके कैरेक्टर के बारे में कुछ बताइए, आप क्या प्ले कर रहे हैं?
जी, मैं आर्मी ऑफिसर प्ले कर रहा हूँ.
आपने सोनाक्षी के साथ काफ़ी सारी पिक्चरें करी हैं.
जी हाँ.
तो आपने उनकी ग्रोथ और डेवलपमेंट देखी है एज एन एक्ट्रेस, एज अ प्रोफेशनल.
जी बिल्कुल. और मैंने सबसे ज़्यादा ग्रोथ उनकी एक फिल्म आई थी उनकी लुटेरे.
जी.
और मैं समझता हूँ इट इज़ वन ऑफ द फाइनेस्ट जॉब एनी एक्ट्रेस वुड डू. एंड आई रिमेंबर कॉलिंग हर अप. मैं उनको कहा भी था कि आई थिंक यू शुड गेट अ नेशनल अवार्ड फॉर दिस फिल्म. एंड इट वाज अ ब्रिलियंट परफॉर्मेंस शी गिव.
और आप उन एक्टरों की तादाद में हैं जो अपने खुद के स्टंट्स परफॉर्म करते हैं. आप काफ़ी फिट भी हैं. आपने अपने स्टंट्स हॉलिडे में भी परफॉर्म करे?
जी, मेरी सारी फिल्मों में मैं ही खुद ही करता हूँ, अनलेस अनटिल मैं बीमार हूँ. लेकिन इसमें भी मैंने जितनी भी स्टंट किए हैं, यहाँ तक कि इस फिल्म के अंदर थोड़ा बहुत मैं अनलकी भी रहा हूँ, क्योंकि मैं 2 बार अपने हेयरलाइन फ्रैक्चर भी हुआ है मेरे पैर पे. आई वॉज वेरी लकी टू निकल गया था 5-6 दिन के अंदर तैयार. मतलब आई वॉज रेडी टू शूट अगेन एंड बट इट वॉज वेरी, आई कैन नेवर फॉरगेट. देयर वाज अ जंप व्हिच आई डिड from the 9th floor, from the 9th to 7, 7 to 6, 6 to 5, 5 to 4. I did it till the 2nd floor, and उसके बाद मेरा पैर जरा हल्का सा twist हो गया था and I had fallen down, so I had broken my leg. And again the same thing happened on the same leg. A truck went over my leg, and but it was fine.
Did the truck get hurt?
No, not really actually, Omar. The truck was absolutely fine, but मुझे बहुत काफी चोट आ
Oh
गई थी.
God, sorry to hear that. But आपको डर
You
नहीं
were not
महसूस?
sorry. तू तो बोला ट्रक को हाथ लगेगी नहीं.
नहीं, that was a joke saying how tough you are. Yeah, that shows how tough you are. But Akshay, आपको डर नहीं?
Let's see, Omar, how tough are you?
I am not.
मैं वो आज सच्ची आज मैं एक्चुअली देख रहा हूँ. मैं आप लोगों को बताऊँ, मैं इस इंसान को इनके बैकग्राउंड के बारे में बताता हूँ. मैं इस इंसान को करीबन 24 साल से जानता हूँ. 24 साल से ये इंसान चेंज नहीं हुआ है. मतलब इनकी जो शक्ल है, जैसे ये हैं, लगते हैं तंदुरुस्त, हट्टे कट्टे. आई थिंक इसके पीछे मुझे लगता है ये कारण है कि ये जैसे ही घर जाते हैं, फ्रिज खोलते हैं, वहाँ सो जाते हैं. ठंड में सोते हैं, सुबह उठते हैं, फ्रिज खोल के बाहर निकल आते हैं. और इनके कभी भी फेस के अंदर कोई चेंज नहीं आया. जैसे लगते थे, आज भी इनके गाल इतना ऊपर है, मैं पक्का बोल सकता हूँ कोई बोटॉक्स नहीं करवाया इन्होंने. और बहुत ही तंदुरुस्त किस्म के इंसान है. लेकिन मैं ये जानना चाहूँगा कि इनकी अंदर की शक्ति कितनी है. तो अब हम कैसे करें?
Oh God.
You have to lift me up. Come on.
Lift you up.
Yeah. Come on, Omar. Yeah. Come on, Omar. Come on. चलो, नहीं हो पाया, कोई बात नहीं. लेकिन मुझे उठा लिया, लेकिन कुर्सी पीछे रह गई. और इससे साफ जाहिर होता है कि और हाउ ओल्ड आर यू?
Let's not talk go there.
तो चलो ठीक है. फिर भी जितने भी है, अगर 24 साल से मैं इनको जानता हूँ, ये तभी से जर्नलिस्ट थे. और मेरे हिसाब से मेरी उम्र के ही होंगे. एंड आज भी इनके अंदर बहुत शक्ति है. और आई होप मिस्टर यू कीप अप योर गुड हेल्थ.
Thank you so much.
बट आई वुड लाइक टू
But
आस्क.
you're our inspiration actually.
मेरी बात छोड़िए, मैं तो गया गुजरा हूँ. मुझे तो ध्यान रखना
नहीं.
पड़ता है क्योंकि फिल्मों के अंदर मुझे काम में रहता है. एंड योर लाइफस्टाइल आल्सो मस्ट बी, यू मस्ट बी नॉट
Yeah.
लेट नाइट बर्ड.
No, no.
सो रिमेंबर इट कि रात को देर से ना जागें, जल्दी सो जाया करें.
Yeah.
आप उमर की तरह एकदम तंदुरुस्त रहेंगे.
Don't smoke, don't drink.
Don't drink, don't smoke. That is another thing which is one of the most important things.
Akshay, आपको you don't feel scared when you are doing stunts, when you're doing stunts yourself. What is going through your mind when you're doing a big jump?
मुझे बड़े स्टंटों से ज़्यादा डर नहीं लगता है. छोटे स्टंट से ज़्यादा डर लगता है क्योंकि छोटे स्टंट को उमर इट्स ऑलवेज कि हम टेक इट फॉर ग्रांटेड ले लेते हैं.
जी.
जैसे कि मैं आपको बताया कि एक ट्रक मेरे ऊपर, पैर के ऊपर से चला गया. होना ही नहीं चाहिए था.
You don't feel scared when you are doing stunts, when you're doing stunts yourself. What is going through your mind when you're doing a big jump?
एक्चुअली मुझे बड़े स्टंटों से ज़्यादा डर नहीं लगता है. छोटे स्टंट से ज़्यादा डर लगता है क्योंकि छोटे स्टंट को उमर इट्स ऑलवेज कि हम टेक इट फॉर ग्रांटेड ले लेते हैं.
जी.
एंड जैसे कि मैं आपको बताया कि एक ट्रक मेरे ऊपर, पैर के ऊपर से चला गया. होना ही नहीं चाहिए था. इट शुडंट बी देयर.
Yeah.
It was not supposed to. I was supposed to get down from the truck and just be on the side. And I took it for so much for granted कि मैं I didn't take one step behind more. And the truck went over it, and that's where I realized, I said, this is the biggest mistake I've done. I've done so many stunts in my life. How could I do such a stupid thing? Even one of the biggest stunt, I forgot his name.
Directors. Greg Powell.
No. He was a stunt man. And he has done stunts which are unbelievable. And he just lost his life on a bike. And bike को skid कर रहा था और उसकी गर्दन एक खंबे पे लग गई. And he lost his life there. So it is always the small stunt
small thing.
which is very bad. The big stunt, because the whole unit, there are doctors, everybody there, they are paying attention to you.
Safety precautions.
There's so much of safety measures taken, and that you don't get hurt on the big one. It's always, it is a known fact that the small things which will
always
bring you down.
And you also had the services of Greg Powell, the Skyfall fame action
he's
director.
actually taught me how to rearrange a gun. अगर आप किसी एक्टर को पूछो कि आपको गन पूरा बनाना आता है, नहीं आता. मुझे नहीं आता था.
Right.
And he just dismantled the gun and he kept it in front of me and come on, I heard you know action a lot, so come on,
Wow.
let's see
Yeah.
if you can rearrange it. And I was shocked.
Huh.
I never thought that I have to learn this first. That was the basics of action. And then he sat down, he taught me for 2 hours. I learned it and learned it and learned it. And he says, now you're ready. Take the gun, start shooting. Let's shoot. 2 घंटे उसने shooting नहीं किया.
Wow. In the movie, the tagline है a soldier is never off duty, but that's also true of actors because you work really hard, and things have changed from earlier, where like everything is so focused and so much hard work goes into making a movie, especially for someone like you who's also dedicated to his workout and his daily routine.
But I take a lot of holidays. ऐसा नहीं है. I'm so many times off duty also. I think I have divided my life in a very. I have a program which I've done that after every 3 months I will take 7 days off.
Oh, nice.
I don't work on Sundays. I have an annual holiday in June for one month, full 1 month off.
Yeah.
That's because when it's according to my son's school timing.
Right.
So I take my holidays. I have about 6 to 7 holidays every year.
Every year. That's nice. That's very important to refresh the mind also.
Yeah.
You have played an army man in the past also in movies, right?
Yes,
how
I
different is this? I mean, how different is Holiday?
This is more real.
Yeah.
That was still not that real.
Right.
वो ऐसे उसमें ऐसा लगता था कि इसमें कुछ सुपर ह्यूमन पावर आ गई, लेकिन इस फिल्म के अंदर मिस्टर मुरुगदॉस he never allowed that.
No.
He kept everything real from the torture scene to shooting someone or somebody shooting me, and the whole action sequences. That's why he got Greg Powell to do the whole action, and Greg Powell picturized the whole action without me first, and edited and showed it to him. What punches he didn't like, he removed it. So there was a lot of working by him, and that's how we did it.
Our armed forces are the pride of our nation. Our armed forces, Army, Navy, Air Force, all of them. But the youngsters today are not so, they're not so, driven to join the armed forces or draft even for 2 years or 3 years. Like
I think we have the strongest army today in the world. I think we are the second when it comes to manpower of army. And ऐसा नहीं है. There are a lot of people who are driven by to army. And look at me, I was very sure that I would have joined in one of the army force, or I would have been in Navy or Air Force. This was the 3 things which was there in my head if I wouldn't have got a break here. And because my father was also in army, and that would always drive me towards it.
That's what makes you so disciplined, because you wake up I think you wake up really early.
It's not because of discipline, it's because एक आदत सी हो गई है, it's a habit, and I feel very sleepy after 9 o'clock, and I just want to go.
You sleep early, you don't party, you don't go even for filmy parties.
No, I don't make it like sounded like it. But film party, I love going to film parties and all, but मेरे को रात को जल्दी नींद आ जाती है. I just feel like going to sleep. I can't take it. I on the contrary, when किसी की शादी रहती है या किसी की पार्टी रहती है, they send you a card and they write, sometimes they just write कि 8 o'clock onwards. तुम 8 बजे पहुंच जाते. कोई भी नहीं रहता. दूल्हा दुल्हन भी नहीं रहता. So you can then you realize that nobody is there because I have to go back home early.
Akshay, nowadays everybody is paying attention to commercial cinema, which is not the most intelligent cinema at most times, But you are focusing a lot on other aspects of cinema also. You are doing movies like Special 26, like Holiday, which are like commercial in their own way, but yet there's an intelligence to them.
I like doing kind of different kind of character roles. I just want to keep on putting myself always on the edge, and I want to try different, like to do a negative role, or to do for a film like Baby, which I'm doing with Neeraj Pandey. It's a big, huge challenge for me what I'm doing there, and a lot of people are wondering why the film title is called Baby. After Hey Baby, I'm doing Baby, but there's no baby in there, but there's a reason why he has kept the name Baby. So yes, I want to do a variety of it, and I want to try my role not only as a hero, forget hero. I've done so many films where I played a hero, but I want to try all character roles now.
You want to do
yes,
that.
I want to.
And you also encourage new talent, whether it's directors, whether it's actresses.
A lot of films like that,
also. That's deliberate because it gets freshness?
Yes, I like it. My partner Ashwini Yardi, she handles the whole thing. And we both have the same kind of thinking, and we like doing that.
How important is it that your movies touch the 100, 150, 200 crore mark?
It should be safe enough. Whether it's 100 or 200, that's beside the point. But it should be safe enough for my financer or for my distributors who put money into it. And that should be the
That should be
honest thing.
covered.
Yeah, and they should be proud of being associated with a film like that.
For Sing is Bling, your next movie which is coming up, is it you're keen to sign Katrina? Is that true?
No, there's nothing like that. We've not
Nothing like
spoken
that.
to anyone.
Okay, and you're again doing a different genre of movies where, like, for the first time in India, a movie like It's Entertainment, where there's a focus on a dog, and it's looking good.
Well, ऐसा नहीं है कि there's been a lot of films where dogs are there, but this particular film, the dog is the hero. I'm the second lead, and
Okay.
so that's how the whole film is being made. Yeah,
What's your favorite holiday destination?
I like going to Goa.
Why does one never see you at award functions, Akshay? Like, don't host awards, you don't attend awards.
Sometimes I come, sometimes I don't. I'm say 80% I'm not there.
Yeah.
I think a lot of times we say it's always been that I'm not in the country or something. I'm shooting somewhere.
Yeah. And what is your take on critics?
Critics. My take on critics are, I think they are very helpful. They tell you a lot of things which you should be careful about, how you should go around. There are some critics, I may say, they don't make any sense because you realize it when you read their comments. But there are some critics who makes a lot of sense, and you should pay attention to them and be keen of understanding what they're trying to say. And that's why, and you should know whom to do for that.
One actor from the younger generation you would like to co-star with?
Ranveer Singh,
Twinkle as an interior designer or Twinkle as the producer boss?
interior designer.
Akshay, I'm going to ask you the quick fire in the end.
Rapid fire.
Yeah. The one director you want to work with next?
Sanjay Leela.
One actor from the younger generation you would like to co-star with?
Ranveer Singh.
Twinkle as an interior designer or Twinkle as the producer boss?
Interior designer.
The fittest actor according to you, apart from you?
I think what energy I see in Ranveer Singh is very good. Yeah.
Yeah. It reminds of you.
I can see him. He has lots of
He has
energy.
lots of energy. The one thing this younger generation has that the earlier generation did not.
They have everything in a much better form than what we had.
Yeah.
I think there's nothing they lack.
Yeah.
They are far more superior than us.
Do Indian stuntmen compare with foreign stuntmen, Hollywood stuntmen?
There are very few stuntmen who take care of themselves. They maintain themselves and they go and work out. They believe in warm-ups and cool down. And this is what I've been trying to tell them, and they don't concentrate much on it. There are very few stunt people who do that.
Remakes or originals, what do you prefer?
It doesn't matter if whatever script you like, or obviously original is much, I get more inspired by original. But even if it's a remake also and it's really nice, I don't mind doing it.
Your dream role?
My dream role? To play a psychopath killer.
And what's your fitness mantra? What's the secret?
Just think positive, that's it.
Think positive. Yeah. So looking forward, thank you, Akshay. And
thank
looking
you, Umar.
forward again to holiday and all the best. Yeah.
Thank
As
you
well.
very much.
Thank
It was
you.
a pleasure talking to you, man.
Thank you.